As it was written in the book where you can find it, that the best work to get in Nigeria after NYC is POS. Oh, POS after NYC.
May God not allow them, may them kill you.
It was written, it's only angels and the holy people will be with the Lord in the heaven.
This man!
It means heaven no go sweet.
You be mumu.
Someone like me cannot be in heaven. Michael Jackson cannot be there. Speechless. No. Osadebe cannot be there. Oliver the Coke. Davido cannot be there. Yahoo Boys cannot be there. Who want to do Amina for heaven? Oh! I'm going to hellfire. As it was written in the book of where you can find it, that many miracles were performed. Okay. What about the miracles in Nigeria?
Not be juju be that.
Nkiru no say, I fair pass. Now Nkiru don't turn Tabino, where are they? Nkiru now, Nadino, where are they? Girls, on our done. Written. Yeah, in the book of where you can find it. Yeah, you already know. That Jesus don't want her into wine. And you, a woman being, are telling me that drinking alcohol is a sin. Is it that Jesus come into this life to introduce sin to us? I don't understand. Answer me. So Jesus come for heaven to give us sin.
Not allow them, may them kill you.
Preacher was written. Oh, now well done. That man was created in the image of God. If someone like me was created in an image of God,
This man!
Peter be in an image of God. Soludo in an image of God. Governor Ugwa in an image of God. Thank you. Obasanjo was an image of who?
Not be juju be that. 70 years old man.
Answer me! Image of who? Oh, across where it was written, in the book of where you cannot find it, that a man was vote for change and 1,000 naira being turned to 100 naira. Tell me if you vote another old man who won't come now.
70 years old man.
1,000 naira cannot even be found in 100 naira. It can be found in Kobo. No. Hey, Nigeria, una well done. It was written in the book of where you can find it. Yeah, that not all those who called me father will make heaven.
This man!
I believe in it now.
How many times would they tell you?
Last 2 weeks, everybody they shout Jesus for WhatsApp status. Small rain now don't fall. Their feelings don't change. I am feeling lonely. I need someone beside me. All the whole dog where they state don't disappear for Lekki.
May God not allow them, may them kill
You are
you.
not from Nigeria. I come across where it was written in the book of where you cannot find it. Girls in Asaba, Bini, Warri, and Lagos no longer wear bra.
Not be
Just
juju be
look at
that.
guys in the street. Is it that bra is cost or what? I did my own since they read my Bible.
Man!
Now they say maybe we just go straight airport, maybe go look, see what thing that happen for town. Now I reach Lagos airport. Ikeja. Now I can see Gary. Gary first me enter plane. They go. Gary first me enter plane. Oh,
Not be juju be that.
na poverty na concern. Poverty. Gary, Eba. And it was written in the book of where you can find it. As I was searching this morning. Make all these motivational speakers leave me alone. Yeah. The other one says to find a woman that love and caring. He says find a woman that will care and love.
Not be juju be
Find a woman
that.
that will not be cheating on you. Continue
May
searching for
God
the
not
better
allow them,
love.
may them kill you.
I no come this life out to make search. I no come this life out to make search. Any girl will no one find me. They your own. It was written in the book of where you can find it. Chairman not disappoint Davido.
You be mumu.
Amaka disappoint Two-Face.
This man!
Emeka don't pregnant Ella.
May God not allow them, may them kill you.
Unfortunate. As it was written
This man!
in the book of where you can find it, that Nigerian musicians are prophets. Yeah, they are prophets. Idris sing Nigeria Jaga Jaga, we no believe him. Now we don't believe him. African fighters sing food no day. And today I be food today. Food no day. Yahoo, they come, they sing Yahoo, oh, oh, Yahoo.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Now Yahoo, they done everywhere. And with the dance, now Yahoo, they done everywhere.
How many times would they tell you?
Nigerian musicians, you are prophets. I come across where it was written that I'm not from Nigeria. Yeah,
Man,
I'm not from Nigeria. Because I not just look exactly like them. I not just resemble person away from Nigeria.
you be Mumu.
Food, they not get. School, they no go. Unless I'm not the one this way. But I'm not from this country.
Not be juju.
I miss road from Nigeria. Those days where Israelites they fight war. Now that time I take miss road. Hey, I miss road. Nobody shall.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
I have my food. I miss road. I come across where it was written. What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul?
Man,
Yeah, that's good. But what shall it profit a man to live like Methuselah and die being poor? No Dolime for you. No Amina for you. No befitting burial. Who I even know you?
you be Mumu.
Come off Nigeria. I don't want to die being poor.